Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to another episode of Cooking for Bae. So today I'm making a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel and some lemonade. Of course, you know I love making juices, so let's get it. So I'm going to do my bacon in the oven because, you know, it's more crispy and evenly cooked. So that's how I prefer it. But you can put it on the stove, the air fryer, wherever you prefer. You can use any bagel you want. I'm using blueberry. You don't want to use bagel, use bread, anything you want, but this is what I'm doing. While the bacon is cooking, all I have in my mixer is water and ice. This right here is canned peaches in the peach juice, so I'm going to add it down in here. I'm basically making lemonade, but with a hint of like the peach, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to add some lemon juice, some sugar, blend it up. Let it do its thing. Just something real quick and refreshing and frozen. You know, you got to have that drink, honey. But if you want, you can also add some wine to it, some alcohol if you want. But this is just straight up lemonade. Lemon, sugar, water, peach, and peach juice. That's it. I'm going to pop this in the freezer and let it chill out until the bacon is done. All right, so I'm going to scramble up 2 eggs using Spicy Girl just to give it a little kick. Even though I am using black pepper bacon, I forgot to mention that earlier. I am using black pepper bacon. Once you season your eggs, you want to beat it up just like this. Look at this perfect bacon. All right, so now we're going to get into the eggs. Now, you're kind of sort of making scrambled eggs. You're kind of sort of making an omelet. You're kind of sort of just making a pouch, you know, because of how I want it to look at the finished product, you know, when I cut it open. So just swirl it around until it kind of sets, and then you're going to drop the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese right in the middle, and I'm kind of sort of just going to form a pouch slash an omelet slash a pouch. It really doesn't matter, but it's just me. That's just what I wanted. So yeah, now we're gonna put it together. Now you can use whatever condiments you prefer. I'm just using ketchup and mayo. And then look at me, I done put the ketchup down and didn't even put the mayo, but I fixed it, no problem. I'm gonna add my heirloom tomatoes, or you can use whatever tomatoes you have. Like I said, I went to Whole Foods and I just picked up a couple things, and the tomatoes were beautiful. So I got some green ones, some yellow ones, some orange ones, and so I'm using the green ones today. Now you're gonna put down your egg pouch that's filled with all that cheese, and then you're gonna put down your beautifully cooked bacon, and that's the sandwich. It's done. Just regular bacon, egg, and cheese, child. And this is what the inside looks like. Oh my God. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys the drink. All right, so this is the drink, whoever you're making the drink for. If you have the colored straws, make sure you put a blue straw, pink straw, whatever their favorite color is. And this is brunch, so easy, simple sandwich, but delicious. Hope you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.